Hi friends, Tamilnadu 12th Computer Science lesson number 5 la irukra 1 mark questions பத்தி இந்த வீடியோல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிரலாம். Topic: choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Who developed Python? Your answer is option B, Guido van Rossum. Question number 2. Which of the following shortcut is used to create new Python program? Your answer is option D, Control N. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a token? Your answer is option A, interpreter. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a keyword in Python? Your answer is option D, operators. Question number 5. Which operator is also called as comparative operator? Your answer is option B, relational operator. Question number 6. Which of the following is not logical operator? Your answer is option D, assignment operator. Question number 7. Which operator is also called as conditional operator? Your answer is option A, ternary operator. Next additional and important 1 mark questions பத்தி discuss பண்ணிரலாம். Question number 1. Python language was released in option B, 1991. Question number 2. IDLE expansion is, your answer is option A, integrated development learning environment. Question number 3. In Python, how many ways programs can be written? Your answer is option C, 2. Question number 4. Which of the following mode allows to write codes in Python command prompt? Your answer is option C, interactive mode. Question number 5. Which mode can also be used as a simple calculator in Python? Your answer is option D, interactive. Question number 6. Which mode displays the Python code result immediately? Your answer is option B, interactive. Question number 7. Which of the following used to develop and run Python code? Your answer is option C, IDLE. Question number 8. Which mode can also be used as a simple calculator? Your answer is option B, interactive mode. Question number 9. Prompt indicates that your answer is option C, IDLE is working in interactive mode. Question number 10. Which of the following command is used to execute Python script? Your answer is option C, run module. Question number 11. Which function helps to enter data at runtime by the user? Your answer is option A, that is input. Question number 12. Which of the following function in Python is used to convert strings data as integer data explicitly? Your answer is option C, int function. Question number 13. A sequence of elementary lexical components of Python statement is known as, your answer is option B, tokens. Question number 14. Which of the following is not the type of token? Your answer is option D, function. Question number 15. Which of the following cannot be identified by the identifier? Your answer is option A, constant. Question number 16. Which of the following can be identified by an identifier? Your answer is option D, all of this, that is variables, functions and class. Question number 17. If A equal to 100, then the expression of A exponentiation to output is, your answer is option B, 10,000. Question number 18. If A equal to 100, then the expression A/30 is, your answer is option C, 3. Question number 19. Which of the following operator checks the relationship between two operands? Your answer is option B, comparative. Question number 20. How many logical operators in Python? Your answer is option D, 3. Question number 21. Which operator replaces multi-line if else in Python? Your answer is option A, conditional. Question number 22. In Python, the delimiters are not used in Your answer is option B, functions. Question number 23. Which of the following is the raw data given in a variable or constant? Your answer is option C, literal. Question number 24. Which of the following is not a type of literal? Your answer is option B, expression. Question number 25. Which literal or immutable? Your answer is option D, all of this, that is integer, float and complex. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a numerical literal type? Your answer is option C, Boolean. Question number 27. Which of the following is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes? Your answer is option A, string. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a fundamental data type? Your answer is option C, character. Question number 29. A built-in number data type supports. Your answer is option D, all of this, that is integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers. Question number 30. Which of the following character is used to denote long integer? Your answer is option C, L. Question number 31. Which of the following data includes decimal point? Your answer is option D, floating point. Question number 32. How many floating point values needed to represent complex number? Your answer is option A, 2. Question number 33. A Boolean data type have the values. Your answer is option D, true or false. Question number 34. Which data can be enclosed with single or double or triple quotes? Your answer is option B, string. Next, fill in the blanks la irukra 1 mark questions பத்தி discuss பண்ணிரலாம். Question number 1. Python command prompt is dash. Your answer is option B, 3 greater than symbol. So, Python command prompt is 3 greater than symbol. Question number 2. Python source file is created using dash mode. Your answer is option B, script mode. So, Python source file is created using script mode. Question number 3. Dash mode is used to create and edit Python source file. Your answer is option A, script. So, script mode is used to create and edit Python source file. Question number 4. The dash command is used to open Python shell window. Your answer is option C, file, new file. Question number 5. In Python shell window opened by pressing, your answer is option B, Control N. Question number 6. In Python script editor, the errors will be shown in dash color in the IDLE window. Your answer is option A, red. So, in Python script editor, the errors will be shown in red color in the IDLE window. Question number 7. Press dash to execute Python script. Your answer is option D, F5. So, press function 5 key to execute Python script. Question number 8. The input function helps to enter data at dash by the user. Your answer is option C, runtime. So, the input function helps to enter data at runtime by the user. Question number 9. The output function dash is used to display the result of the Python program. Your answer is option C, print. So, the output function print is used to display the result of the Python program. Question number 10. The input accepts all data as dash or dash. Your answer is option A, string or character. So, the input accepts all the data as string or characters. Question number 11. The dash statements are ignored by the Python interpreter. Your answer is option D, command. So, the command statements are ignored by the Python interpreter. Question number 12. Python uses dash and dash to define program blocks. Your answer is option B, Spaces, tabs. So Python uses spaces and tabs to define program blocks. Question number 13. In Python, there are dash normal token types. Your answer is option C, 5. So in Python, there are 5 normal token types. Question number 14. In computer programming languages, dash are special symbols which represent computations. So, in computer programming languages, operators are special symbols which represent computations. Question number 15. Value and variables when used in operator are known as dash. Your answer is option A, operands. So, values and variables when used in operator are known as operands. Question number 16. Dash and dash when used with operator are called operands. So, the answer is value and variables. ஸோ இதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வேல்யூ அண்ட் வேரியபிள் கேட்டுட்டு ஆப்ஷனில் ஆப்ரண்ட் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க. இப்போ வந்து ஆப்ரண்ட்டுக்கான ஆப்ரேட்டர் டைப்ஸ் வந்து கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ அதுவுமே வந்து நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஸோ கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் தென் ஆன்சர் போத்துமே நீங்கள் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டா மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இஸ் value and variables when used with operator are called operands. Question number 17. An arithmetic operator takes dash operands and perform two calculations. Your answer is option C, 2. So, an arithmetic operator takes two operands and perform a calculations. Question number 18. Python uses the symbols and symbol combinations as dash in expression. Your answer is option D, delimiters. So, Python uses the symbol and symbol combinations as delimiters in expressions. Question number 19. Numeric literals can belong to dash different numerical types. Your answer is option B, 3. So, numeric literals can belong to 3 different numerical types. Question number 20. All data values in Python are dash. Your answer is option A, objects. So, all data values in Python are objects. Question number 21. Dash data can be decimal, octal or hexadecimal. Your answer is option B, integer. So, integer data can be decimal, octal or hexadecimal. Question number 22. Octal integer use dash to denote octal digits. Your answer is option A, O. So, octal integer use O to denote octal digits. Question number 23. Dash is to denote hexadecimal integer. Your answer is option D, B or C. That is, இதில் வந்து ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன் சேமே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதனால் வந்து ஆன்சர் வந்து B and C அப்படின்ற மாதிரி நான் வந்து சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இந்த மாதிரி ட்விஸ்டடாக கேட்டால் கூட நீங்கள் வந்து டிக் பண்ணிடுங்க. பட் ஒன் ஆப்ஷன் தான் டிக் பண்ணணும். நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்ஸ் வந்து இதுக்கு கிடையாது. கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 24. காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் 2 dash values. Your answer is option C, floating points. So, complex number is made up of 2 floating point values. Next video la lesson number 6 la irukka topics பத்தி நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிரலாம். For more videos, please follow our channel. Thanks for watching this video.